Welcome back to Green Off-Road. I know y'all probably wondering why I ain't been posting. Well, found out the Cardinal drive shaft in the front's gone out. Pinion and rear end gears have gone out in the front axle. So I've got to do a little bit of a rebuild on that. Well, ball joints, hub assembly's gone out. But bad news and some good news as well. I've got a little something. I'm gonna be rebuilding that butt end of the four-wheeler. Why? Because everybody, all my friends, all my family has got back into four-wheelers again. Well, I still have mine. At this point in time, I still have mine. So with that being said, I'm gonna rebuild the differential. I found a crack in it, the output shaft's messed up, so I'm gonna replace both and do front and rear brakes. Once I'm done with that, I've got a surprise. I'm not letting nobody know yet. I will show y'all that when I do get it, but I do got a surprise that's coming. But for now, we're gonna rebuild this. I've got the parts. I'm gonna be ordering them in roughly a week, at the most 10 days. I'm gonna be ordering the differential. That's $400. It's gotta go. Not including 60, roughly, on the output shaft. Once I've got them ordered, we'll be good to go. We'll be back to riding. But I've got something else. Now, I don't know if you can see this because it's a little bright out here today. But all this behind me, let's see here. We're gonna start clearing some of this. Because at this point, we need it knocked down because it's just overgrown. But there used to be a garden here that my grandparents had. There's another garden that my great-grandfather had on the other side over here next to the block house. We're gonna get all these trees pulled up. I'm gonna be working on pulling these up over the course of this next week, 2 weeks, while I'm doing this differential on the Rancher. With that being said, we're gonna have it bush hogged. I'm gonna have a couple of videos that's gonna come through with everything I'm doing. Like I said, there is a surprise coming in roughly a month. Maybe a little bit more, I'm not sure yet, give or take. But stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe. That helps so much more than you realize. If you would just like and subscribe, it'd help me out, it'd help my channel out, it'd help more people see my videos. And that's really all I want to do is share to what I'm doing around here, because maybe it might help someone, because I'm going to do a couple of how-tos as well, let alone a little bit of landscaping, so maybe someone can get an idea or a reference to what they might want to do. But again, like, share, subscribe. This is Green Off-Road, and we'll get back at you.